So what's up, guys? I'm Zach from Planet Cellular, and here's the guest of the day. Nothing special about him, just thought we could share the experience about it. Okay, I think it has a problem with the screen because see the damages. She's looking so bad. Okay, like the owner still loves it. I think they just fucked up and domestic violence. But anyway, jokes aside, this is what we do. She still loves it, and I thought I could give it a nice look. So let's see what we could do to her.
Welcome to Planet Cellular.
Okay, short details about this phone. This is Oppo a31. I love these phones. They never have much complications. Oppo a31. The normally 64 GB. Nice camera. I think 2 GB RAM or 3. Yeah. Just not much. Has nothing special about this. So just some feelings with it. Let's put some Q and see if we can recover it. It's the honest state of it. Love these phones. Those who are looking for phones to buy, which could I buy, what could I buy? This Oppo, as long as you mind your storage, they normally have a problem with storage. Just you manage the storage, you're good to go. It's a nice phone. Camera is very much okay. Batteries, I think, reliable. Network, I've never got a problem with the Oppo network complaining. I love them. I would recommend them 100%. Cheap. It's a very nice, affordable phone. Spares available. Can literally repair anything on an Oppo phone. Okay, so we are testing the screen first. Yes. I normally like to test the screen from up, just in case phone won't work. I wouldn't like to get too much work with removing the screen. Then in case it doesn't work, I wanna need it. So just normally like testing the phone on top. 1, 2, 3. Ama tungeanza na juu. Maybe we would have started with 3, 2, 1. I think it's not lighting up. Oh, break down this battery. So let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Baby girl, whoops. As I said, I love these phones. I recommend them 100% for the spares being available. But a bit of the spares, guess what? Very cheap, affordable, nice phone. Camera stable, battery stable. And nice phones, recommend them. So I think the screen, we're just changing the screen, has nothing much. It looks bad with the cover, but the owner never paid for it. The cover looks bad too, and she never paid for it. And could have put it for her for the video and so on, maybe to enjoy putting the cover too. But she's on a hurry, so I can't order the cover, and she's not willing to wait. So let's just put the screen and see what comes. I think the screen is working fine. So the problem with the phone is the screen. Just check it. It's charging. So with the screen. It's time to install the screen. Normally, if you to plug out your battery or do something crazy with the phone, normally is switching off it. It's better because in most cases these phones get to crash. In case you didn't switch it off. It's time to put the screen. I had to remove this home drive, a gum remover, like some matter of putting it in. Creates damages when it comes to screen, so if you still need to use the screen again, you don't need to put this, especially much that may affect the screen. Because if it came to your screen, you may lose some colors in the screen. So guys, my workshop is a bit a mess. When prepared this, you can see this is a first video, so we don't have much space of it. We haven't prepared it. Maybe in the comments we shall this much. I'm using this whatever software, whatever to remove the screen. Don't want to finish tokens on machines to remove the screen, yet I can remove it manually. I have a machine that just a matter of sitting this phone on it, it could remove the screen. But it takes much tokens since it's a heater. So me putting it in this whatever here. I'm putting on some gum remover. I can easily remove it. So I don't need to use it again. But if I needed to use this screen again, I would have put it on machine. So it's easily the other side and very safe. Since I'm not using it anymore, let's use it here. Let's do it manually and remove it. And here we are. So we shall take some time and clean this whatever is from. That won't work. I told you guys we have to clean this frame. And that we put. Okay. So make sure you always, if you could do this, like maybe for yourself, make sure you always take care of this camera. Because can I tell you what? Ladies love their cameras than even the phone themselves. But now the frame is clean. Put the groove free. Nice strength to put the new down. I'm using this one and that all it's finishing up. Have to use it. place a minute or two for this gum to get bit dry. And if you're not willing to wait the frame on the machine, the heater, just for the gum to dry. Okay, like to put that straight. For 31 instance gum on the screen. There we go. We're done with the screen replacement. Now it's reassembling the phone. Let's see what we've done. Let's see how. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. And now we're gonna clean that gum. After using tissue, stir the gum remover, get wet. Don't apply this now to the screen because now since the screen is new, as I told you, it can change your screen colors. Very effective. So you have to wet something like I'm wetting a tissue, then cleaning the screen, and just apply it on the screen. Time to apply some bands on the screen, just to make sure it dries in frame. Because if you don't apply this on it, it may try, it will try, but as you're saying, also the frame, so your phone may have some space in it, maybe lighting, try find lightings on sides of the phone. So even let's test this phone before we apply the let's apply. There is our done work. Got it. What do you think, guys? Do you have any phone, mobile phone, with the screen problems and so on? Let's come inbox. Okay, it's not going on, and I'm thinking of charging. Maybe it has no power. Let's put it on charge. Yeah. 0%. Two percent. Okay. If she had time and so on, I would press this, maybe for free, just for the entertainment of our video. But she doesn't have time, so we just request the screen. End of the day, that's all she paid for. So that's the phone, that's the done product, and it's working fine. Charging. This is how we do the is whatever. How to first make sure it's flexible. If you apply it hard it on your screen, they end up breaking. So we're going to only put 3, but normally I put 2 if the person is going to use it at the very moment. When I put the bottom and the up, like if the whatever, bottom up. But now, since she's not going to use it right now, let's apply the middle one. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification button just for the next update. Adios.